Hi, I am Sai Prashant Adabala. Today our concept is on compliance testing. Compliance testing. This compliance testing is one of the non-functional testing which is done with respect to customer expectations. Requirements are functional testing, non-functional testing, expectations. Customer expectations. Clear? Okay. So compliance testing is also called as, we need to notice this here, standard testing. Standard testing. In this word you can understand. Meaning of compliance means standard testing. Okay, then see here, who performs the standard testing? Who performs the standard testing? PO and SM means Scrum Master. PO and Scrum Master are going to perform the standard testing over Scrum team testers. To calculate, purpose is to calculate and check their effort. Okay. See here. PO and Scrum Master is going to perform this compliance or standard testing over Scrum team testers to calculate and to check their effort. In general, how they are going to calculate the effort means, in general, as a Scrum team tester, we need to prepare for some 15 to 20 test scenarios with test cases. Yeah, I would like to write in the above. Yeah, see here. As a Scrum team tester, yeah, see here. As a Scrum team tester, we need to prepare 15 to 20 test scenarios. TS means test scenarios and along with the test cases. And as a Scrum team tester, we need to execute 10 to 15 test scenarios and test cases. Okay. Then after, as a Scrum team testers, we need to find 3 to 5 defects. These are the standards. These are what we are calling it as standards, company standards. These are the company standards. As a PO and Scrum Master, these two company people need to test the Scrum team testers as they are following the company standards or not. Company standards are like this. They need to prepare 15 to 20 scenarios, test scenarios and test cases, and they need to execute 10 to 15 test scenarios and test cases, and they need to raise 3 to 5 defects in one day. Okay, in general our role will be like this in the industry. In the real time, we need to do our job like this as a Scrum team tester. This is what I mean about compliance testing. In the next